Hello and welcome to another video, guys. Today we're gonna be playing some Slime Rancher. Sorry that the video is like in a weird format. I couldn't figure out how to change that at all. Yeah, sorry. Then I will feed you guys. I've played this before. You guys know that, I think. Okay, let me take you. Got him. Oh yeah. Hey, go back. Okay. So now I want to make a garden purchase. I don't have anything to put in it yet, but that's fine. Yep, shoot a fruit or veggie into the, yep, I know how it works. No need to give me the whole spiel. Come here. You're all coming with me. Normally... whatever. Doesn't even matter. Okay. Yep. Yep. I'm not gonna grow pog fruits. I'm gonna grow carrots, because carrots are just generally better. Yeah, whatever. Get back here! Oh, wait. Wait. No! It left! I didn't see it. I thought I didn't see it. Did it leave a plort? No, it didn't. That's amazing. It really is amazing, I do have to say. Haha. Yeah. Come here. Sorry that I, well, whatever. What? Sorry. Okay. So now we're just gonna go back. We are going to just put them all in, honestly. They'll get out, but honestly, I don't even really care. I just want the money right now. So if they're all in, that's just generally better. So yeah. Yeah, I can see that. Give me the plorts. Eat. Kings. Eat. Okay. You know, I just wasted all my carrot. Please say there's still that one carrot. Give me the carrot. Give me the carrot right now. Give me the carrot. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Screw you guys. Nope. Let me... Hey, whoa. Where are you going? Where art thou going? Into the stratosphere. Okay. Here, let me just do this. I kind of already know what it says, but I don't even really care because we don't care about lore here. We just care about making money and having a good time. Also, what's up here? I've actually never... Oh, please, no, wait, what the? Okay, well, I just shot those. Haha, yeah. Okay, whatever. Let's pick up some plorts. Keep going. What the heck? What the heck? So I'm just gonna need a little bit more money for a chicken coop, which is what I'm going for right now. Oh my lordy. Let me take all this, please. Oh my Largo. Oh, the map, right? Okay. Yep. How do I reverse M? Okay. Perfecto. I can't jump up there because I forgot I don't have the jetpack. Just. Oh, chicken. Chicken. As soon. Hold up. Actually, I'm just gonna throw that away. I need the chickadees. As soon as I. Oh my god. Oh, rooster! Rooster! Yes! Yeah! Please say I can get up here. Please. Oh, please. No. 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 Please. I need that rooster. You guys have no idea. No. No. What? Oh my god, what is... Wait, I know what I need to do. I need to get... Oh my god, bro. I just get up there. What? No. Get back here. Is it still there or is it dead? It's probably dead. No, it's not. Oh my god, I need to get to it. I just don't know how. So frustrating. I need it. I do need it actually though. Like... Oh my god, please, for the love of... Okay, screw that one. Hopefully I get checked back soon and give me all of these. Yeah. Wow, Tabby slime! Burp, 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 burp. And we are back. Sorry about that. But yes, as you can see, I've gotten a lot of stuff. I got some carrots. So I'm just gonna feed all of these guys. Okay. Then I'm gonna quickly go to sleep. Let me sleep until morning. I'm actually gonna sleep until morning again because honestly, like, it's just cheating, but I don't even care, honestly. Like, what is this? Okay, now the slimes are all angry. Okay, slimes are angry. Get the food, get the food, get the food, get the food. Go. No, 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 no. Okay, just feed all them. Just feed them all, just feed them all. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Get out of here, please. Mind your beeswax. Your own beeswax, actually. Well, no, that's the same thing. Whatever. Okay, most of these guys are fine, but there's a couple. Here, I'm just gonna get this carrot so that, yeah, I don't pick up any of the... Oh my lordy lordy. Okay, now I need to deposit my pink plorts. Whatever. Now I have $500. That's a pretty good amount, if I do say so myself. Then let me just pick up the rest of these plorts. It's really just poo that makes you money, but you know what? Whatever. We don't care. I'm also gonna actually get higher walls because I'm pretty sure I still have enough for another chicken coop. Not another. A chicken coop. I just wasted a couple. I do have enough. Of course I do. How could I not? Also, if the prices ever get too high, I think I can just like sleep like for a long time. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, wait, I know what this is. Yeah. Help me out here. I'll make sure you get owed. So they need... I can do that. I can actually do that. Yeah. Hold up. Let me... Trick shot. Wait. No way. No way. Yeah, okay. Let me do the hens. Not that, actually, no. Let me do the chickens, in here. The coop. Then let me, I need more money for high walls. I'm gonna risk it and place all of my hens in here. They're already trying to get in. Here, you need food. You guys need food. Not that type. No, you know what? Bad idea. You guys are bad. You guys, get out of here. Only one of them got killed, but that's fine. You, get out. Okay, may or may not make it. I don't care if he does or doesn't. So they needed pog fruits. That old grandma needed pog fruits, which I can get. I think. I hope. I really hope. Get back here! Thank you. And get these out of here, please. Oh, yeah. So, no, I don't want to say that. What the? Well, I need that. Get out of here, please. Thank you. Thank you. Ow. 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 Yeah, you can die in this game. Just so you know. Yeah. Oh, wait, I can... Wait, can I... Please say the rooster's still up there. I swear to God. The rooster's still up there. Please. Please. Wait. Oh, no, that was just bees. Is it still there? Oh, my God. How am I supposed to get up there? I think I need the jetpack, but I also need a rooster. That's the thing. I need a rooster. Woo! I also need rock slimes and pog fruit, and I will take these. Take these. I'm gonna get the tabby slime, but I need lots. Oh, thank you. I need lots of chickens. That's why I'm doing this, because kitties are the best. What? See how they're chickadoos, get out of here. Give me. Get out of here. This is that's a stony chick, but that's fine. See, we have this place. This is the big chicken, or the big cat. Okay, sorry. Yeah, there's the big chicken, guys. There's the big chicken. The famous, the all-knowing, the chicken. Wait, please, let me get up. No, I need to get up. Whatever. I'll meet you when we're back at home, guys. Hello, and welcome to another video, guys. Wait. Wait. Why did... I am so stupid. Oh my God. I don't know why I just thought I was starting the video. I am the dumbest person alive. My brother here, YouTube's Overload, is gonna be joining me. Hello! Yep. He's helping. This is gonna be our, like, shared world, so you're gonna have to watch both channels. So, subscribe or die to both channels. Wait, no. Give me those. Okay, I have enough for high walls, I think, now. For the chickens. So then I can just put them in and have more inventory space, and then I can try to get the rooster. The one thing that has been plaguing my mind the entire time. Did it go in? Trick shot. And I don't. Nope, there's enough. I know there is. Yep, see? Plort right there. No, it's 350. Oh my God, please, one more plort. Yes! Aha! Oh! Nope. Sounds like poop. Yeah, it is. Okay. You're kidding. The price dropped. You are.
Yeah, exactly, guys.
Iowa. Here, trick shot. Ooh. Oh. No. Oh no. Oh no. Please. No. Please. Oh my god. Oh my. No. Oh wait. I knew it. I knew it. I had actually put one there. Well, not put it there, but I had thrown one. Okay. I have enough for high walls, and now I can get rid of this inventory space that I just don't need. Wait. No. What? Okay. Whatever. High walls. Okay. Okay. There we go. So now they shouldn't be able to get in unless they're like really angry. Which, haha, they're not angry at all. Get back in here right now and get in there. All slimes. Wait, hold on. I want to see them. Can I? No, I can't. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put them all in here because this is high walls. So unless they get pretty angry, I should be fine. So I have 3 minutes to get 2 more rock plorts, or sorry, not rock plorts, rock slimes, and then I get some goodies. Oh wait, I forgot to leave my stony hand. Whatever. I'm also just gonna collect a lot of. No, okay, whatever. Oh my god, whatever. I'm not even just gonna do that. I'm just gonna get the pog fruit. Get some more carrots. Okay, so now, please. Yes, I see one. I see one. Yes. Ooh. I only need 2. Yeah. And I don't want extra inventory space. I mean, I could just do it later, but you know, whatever. Let's see here. You run so fast in this game. It's actually really nice, honestly. Okay. Woo! Yay! Woo! Oh god. Okay. Suck it all up. No, there's Q-berries on the map right now. I need heartbeats. I don't have any heartbeats on the map right now. Well, I think I do, but I haven't found them. So heartbeat first, but then definitely Q-berry. Actually, I might get a silo just to store these for later. I have 2 stony hens and a lot of those. Hey, get back here. I'm honestly just gonna eat him. Bye. And then I'm just gonna put all the heartbeats in here, and then just a bit. Q-berries. Leave a couple Q-berries. And then just eat that one. Eat it. Eat it. There we go. And then poop it out. Okay, and then just suck everything up. Okay. You probably can't hear him very well. But whatever. He's there. He's talking to me. Whatever. Oh, come. Oh, my. Boom. Oh, jerk throat. Oh, there's another one. Wait, who's this? I can get those. I just need to wait for night. But, I mean, the pink ones are easy. Don't need to worry about the pinks at all. As you can see. Come here, boys. Yep, yep, right in my mouth. Just come right in my mouth. Yep. Okay, let me just get a pog fruit. Well, I did, actually. I'd rather have carrots. Okay, and then let's go back. It's day 4, it's 11:50. It's 12 o'clock. So yeah. Oh wait, no. Hold up, let me just. Please go off. Die, all die, okay? Cause I need to get rid of some. Whoa, 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 whoa. Gimme. And also, Yeetus Politas! Also, here you go. Here you guys go. Here you guys go. Oh my god. Oh wow. I need an auto plort collector, but no, whatever, it's fine for now. Auto plort collector, yeah. Okay, you guys eat these while I hopefully. It's fine. That's fine. Then I'm gonna go steal you and yeet you. Okay. Yeah, sorry about the bad resolution thing. I don't know how to get rid of it, honestly. It's very weird. Let me get another garden for the Q-berries. Yeah. That noise is the weirdest thing I've ever heard. I know. Okay, then I'm just gonna feed my Q-berries to you guys. Yeah, they have had enough actually. So I'm just gonna suck everything up. I think I have a good amount of pink slimes, honestly. I'm just gonna leave them with a couple carrots. And then okay. Oh my god, I have so many chickens. I need a rooster! Actually, I'm just gonna give them all, even though I didn't even, because they're not hungry, but it's still good to get it off my inventory. And I don't have a silo, which can store stuff, which is nice. Let's see here. No. Yeah, it should be coming pretty soon, I think. I'm not really sure. Does this planet have a sun? Not even sure at this point. Yeah, it does. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can get the rooster this time. Please, please, come here. Tappy slime, feed you the tappy slime. No! Oh, rooster! Rooster! Oh! Rooster! Sorry. I think there's another one up here, or there's just a hen. But that's fine, honestly. Here, let me see. Is there another one? There is! Oh, I gotta get him. Please, come. Where are you? No! What? Yes! 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 2 roosters. Roosteros. Rooster. Wait, is that another one? No, it's just a rock. I don't think it would have been. Well, it wasn't actually. We can start getting tabby slimes now. Let's go. Let me get some pog fruits. It's pogo fruit, but pog fruit is better. Make me the babies. I need this jetpack. How do I? Okay, whatever. I can't go to sleep because I need that. What's this again? Oh, right. That'll be activated eventually. Ooh, my heart beats. Oh, yep, starting to get dark. You called it. It's only 4 o'clock, but whatever. Why am I doing that there? No, now it's 5 o'clock. What would I get from this? Ooh, good plorts, Q-berries, and ooh, money. Yeah, so that's That's probably worth it. Because that'll be enough to get us a tabby slime, farm or cage or whatever.
I think they pop out at
Oh wait, hold up. Why? I didn't even need. I think if I go in the cave.
Yeah, the crazy thing.
Yeah. Although those might be. I think those are Largos actually. Largos. Owie. Wait, hold up. Yep. Yep. Okay. Whatever. You guys can look that the split second if you want. Yep, it's a Largo. Pooh. And as you can see here, there is a lock. As you can see here, there is a lock that we need a key for. How you get that key is feeding this really fat one.
Yeah, have you feeding him?
No. We have not fed him at all, actually. Okay. Oh my god. Get the
Do you see anyone?
no. But I think they normally spawn back here. I don't know why I just threw plorts off, but whatever. Also, it is pretty early in the night, so.
The moon is larger than the sun. Like it appears.
Yeah.
Very
Uh,
Yeah, maybe at like 18.
I'll see. Here, let me. Oh, right, this place. I remember this place. You okay? Oh, box. Ooh. Wait. What do I do? You are.
You have to get rid of
Who cares? I might have to actually go back to my base and then come back to like reload the Minecraft reference, I guess. Chunks, yeah. Well, actually, I want to do that, perfecto. Then get my stony hints in here. I'm also pretty sure there's a max to how many you can have at one time, so I'm actually gonna what is it called? I'm gonna cull the herd, is that what it's called? I don't know, whatever. Yeah, I know, but these are more important. Eat up, kings. Eat up, eat up, eat up, eat up. Eat up, kings. Plus, I might have another day to do it anyway. Yeah, I know, but... Wait, what? There might be too much stuff on the ground, actually. Because there's a lot of stuff, I'm gonna be real. Here, I'm just gonna... try taking, like, all the slimes out. I know there's a ton down here. Oh, yeah. Come here. Come here. Yep, yep, yep. No hiding. Yep, yep, yep. Get out here. Yep, 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 yep. Come here. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Hey, come here. Yep, yep. All of you, come here, please. Please come here. Okay. I know. Okay. Whoa! Oh! What was that? No! Oh! Oh god. Oh yeah. Actually, you know what? I'll just show you guys this thing. It's the really big one. The really fat one. Get the hell out of here, guys. You guys are supposed to die. Go die, please. Die. Oh! I almost fell down. That would have been bad. Because then I would have missed night. Where are they? What? Oh my god, there's so many things. What the heck? Wait, oh, a box. Just give me whatever inside. There's so many things. That might be why, but like, I don't know. I don't know how it works. Ah! But also, when I just throw stuff off, like it just goes in the water. It might not despawn. Which would oh, they're here. Please, I need them. Also, give me tabbies. Actually, just give me everything. Just give me everything. Why am I not getting tabbies? There you go. Tabbies, and those. I'm really getting hurt here, but tabbies. Rooster. Wait, where's the rooster? Give me the rooster. The rooster. Okay. Okay. Get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. Tabby. Oh yeah. What is this music? Oh no. He needs to get out of here. Oh god, there's too many slimes. Yep, I knew it. How did I know it? Get out of here, now. Oh god. If those guys, if that eats this. God, get out of here, please. Get out! No, don't eat it. Get out of here. Yes, he could have. A pink tabby largo could have eaten a phosphor port. No. Oh, that's what that music means. That's why that weird music came on. Oh, everything makes sense now. Okay, but now I need to find more phosphor. I only have 4 phosphor, probably. Oh, God. Okay, well, it should be night for a bit longer, at least. If that's any good thing. Oh, wait, give me the kitties. And run. Oh, yes. Gimme.
You got 6.
No, I'm pretty sure I need 12 or 11. Oh, gimme. This might be it. Please. No! That wasn't my fault. Oh, wait. Yes. Just come on in, boy. Yes, I have enough. I know.
There's room for everyone.
Oh, it was 10. Oh. Oh god. Just give me these before they eat something. And then eat them. Then also. Okay, quickly, just put all of these into here. Pick up the Q berries. Pick up the phosphor and this. Perfect. Okay, now I think if I quickly go over here and deposit all of these. Yep, I have plenty of money to get high walls for the kitties, which I am going to need because the kitties get very rowdy. I know from experience, guys. Okay. Ooh, Q berries for days. Q berries for days. Hey. Okay. I'll just throw them in. Why not? I have a lot of food actually. So I might try to get a make a couple of these. I need mostly stone because that's what the kitties like, so I'm actually just gonna take a couple more. Take that, put them there. Give these to the kitties. And then just suck everything up in here, please. Thank you very much. Okay. Then I'll just.
Actually, Charlie, our next goal should be to get XP.
No, our next goal is to get power-ups. Actually, I can do that right now. The question is, what one do I want? Do I want dash fruits, reduce the energy consumption, power core, boost your energy, tank booster probably. I'll get tank booster. Probably the best right now. I think you go just slightly faster if you do that. But whatever. If you spam click. Whatever, just take them all, just take them all, just take them all, just take them all. Take everything. Time for the annual take everything and leave nothing. I don't know. So these are all pretty happy, so I'm actually just gonna, yeah, just do that, and then I'm actually just gonna put some back in here. Whoops. You know what that means. You're a goner. Does this one stay? I don't know. Whatever. Something happened to him. Woohoo! I can get another upgrade.
Ooh, okay. Thank you.
Jetpack probably, yeah. Jetpack, yep. Okay, watch this, guys. Ready? Once my energy fills back up. Oh, wait, I have another call. Working on a new recipe. I can get those literally right now, I think. No, I can't. Ready? Whee! I'm flying.
And then it ends.
It ends when your energy runs out, so it is good to get. I think we're probably gonna get like the energy things next, right? Probably. Okay. Oh wait, I have Q-berries right here actually, so I'll just take some of these. Just do another annual cleanup, you know. Just take that. Put these back in. Put these back in. Video's definitely gonna end pretty soon, guys. A couple more minutes. But yeah, remember to check out his channel, YouTube's Overload. Did I just put the Q-berries back in? I put the Q-berries back in. Sorry. Oh my. Just. Okay. Then I can put the Q-berries in for this. Then put them back in there. Did it just phase through a wall? It just, okay, whatever. I don't even care though. Boom. That's it. No, it's not. But it's right at the base, so it should be fine. I'm gonna sleep. I actually wonder if that will. Star mail? Sleep until morning. Sleep until morning.
Nice.
Yeah. So that everything reloads. Casey, hi Casey. Oh my god, hi Casey. Oh my god. Nope, it hasn't. Nope. It's longer than 2 days. Well, I think it's about 2 days, and I literally want like half an hour. I slept like half an hour because of because it was already basically the end of the nighttime. These guys need more food, definitely. My kings over there don't. Do they never need food? Why did I give them all the carrots? I am such an idiot. Oh no 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 no! I'm not, no not. Yes, okay. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning service. Cleaning, cleaning. Cleaning service. Whoa! What happened? I don't care about you. Actually, I kind of do. I will get you. Oh god. Put that in there. Get you. Put you in there. Hopefully, and then nothing else happen. Yes. Give me. What? Oh, I have too many. Okay. Let me just. Okay. Oh my. Okay. $816. Not too shabby. Okay. Yes, we are going to do that. We're gonna do that. Oh, right. Thank you. Perfect. I can get those easy peasy. Just put Put those in. Oh god, they are hungry. No! Get them, get them, get them. I know. That's why I'm not giving them stony hands right now, so they can reproduce more stony hands. You get me? But I'm also giving them a stony hand. So. Also giving these guys Q berries. Because I have them, and why not? I also just need a couple plorts, so yeah, whenever you guys. Is that enough to say? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, I only need 2. That's fine with me. Then I will do that. Oh wait, no. I know what I can do. Hold up. Here, I'm actually gonna take a couple tabby slimes. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is I am going to. Actually, I'm just gonna take all the tabby slimes, put some back in, feed them. Wait, feed. There we go. And then give this plort to you. So now they will eat any type of food, which is good because I have a lot of types of food. As you can see, these Q berries are not being eaten. What are you guys doing? So I'm just gonna put a couple more in. Of course, their favorite is still the whatever it's called. But now you'll see that. What are you doing outside? Actually, hold up. I need to take some of them actually. And then I'm gonna get another coral, high walls. Oh, I still have plenty of money. It's not like I don't. Excuse me? Okay, whatever, screw you. You will. Or I'll force it down his throat. But here we got the tabby plorts, 2 bedding. Oh yes, roosters, yes. Reproduce. One of them is it. And so I will take you and shoot you into the stratosphere without a second's notice. This doesn't have it. Wow. That's the first time in forever. What are you doing? Get into that one, please. Oh my god. No! That was so close. Wait, what? But as you'll see, every time I feed one of these big boys, they'll give me one of each type. Look. Actually, these guys aren't hungry yet. Come on, get hungry. That guy's hungry. He's not hungry, but he's not full. As you can see, he gave me a pink and that. So I'm going to do that to you. And to you. Perfect. Did they both do it? I feel like. Okay. Well, this is probably where I'm going to end this episode. I hope you all have a great one. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.